there was just a Cooper's hawk in the middle of the street. He was staring down the squirrel. Today's Christmas bird count, and it's basically a citizen's science effort to get people outside and counting birds in their area, provide scientists with tons of data, and also with so many people on the grounds looking for birds, usually find some really cool rarities. So a park ranger is actually letting us in this morning. I'm pretty psyched about that because this is the one time a year that I actually get to go to this location, and it has some pretty cool species. Savannah sparrow?
Savannah sparrow, that was it.
Yeah, we saw a few here.
She was like, what are you doing on Sunday? And I was like, I'm going birding. But I was like super excited because it's a landfill.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it is? Yeah, at least. Another 30 on that little pond.
There's a mockingbird in that tree down there by the fence.
There's so many great birds in that. Like, I love that little bird. Yes, I love the Mitsubishi bird in the trap.
Yeah. There's a bubblehead, and the gulls trying to drown the like, I don't know what they were doing. It's about like 30 minutes into a Christmas bird count, and we're counting ducks. More birds on like the park side.
Oh, the hare is back.
Where is it? Oh my god!
No, because he was like that was like the subtlest thing, and you guys were like, "Whoa, it's a hare!" And I was like, "Where?" It was just like over the top of the hill.
Yeah,
like,
and it just happened to like.
Yeah.
So that's why
you're You got it?
yeah.
Ooh.
That's like super zoomed in.
That's so good.
It was literally like 10 feet in front of me, and I didn't notice it.
Spread out in a line, and then just go straight across.
Right now we're walking in a straight line along the grass to see if anything flushes. Hoping for some more sparrows.
And grass is interesting. I'm in a Poaceae group on Facebook, so.
Oh, good. We'll solve the mystery.
Yeah, it's grasses and sedges.
All I found was this dad in my library.
Did not see it the second time.
I felt like it hurt.
Oh yeah, it's a pandemic. Just do all these Christmas
Why
counts
not?
I've never done. This is the first time I've done the Bronx Westchester. I always look at it, I'm like, oh, I could do the Bronx Westchester, but I have others
It's the best county.
and Westchester, not the best county.
No, but the Bronx, Westchester, like bird count is the best county.
No, I think I like the Brooklyn one. I am partial, but.
I usually see them at the base of grasses.
Oh, really? Huh.
But let's see.
It's really cool. You can see like there's some feathers back there. Like that were woven in. Like in the back then there's one. Very cool.
Yeah,
It's a nice
beautiful.
one. So when they hatch, they're so tiny, like you can't even see the hole that they make. Because we were trying to look like, oh, did they hatch? Did they hatch? And they're like, you can't even tell. No, this one's white-throated sparrow.
Oh, the canopy. Oh my god.
Haven't mentioned it.
The guy who was on Randall's for White Face Booth. This is actually pretty cool. I like this boat.
This is I just want to know like how it got here.
A chickadee.
That's a chickadee.
Two chickadees.
Three.
Three chickadees. Four.
Nuthatch?
Yeah, nuthatch.
Oh, it's a nuthatch. It is.
Swamp sparrow. Over there. These are white throats. And a second swamp over there. Her more metallic one, it's a little louder, is the white throat, and then the other two are swamps.
It's in
that bush
in the middle. Oh, okay. I guess. I don't see it though.
We got a great horn. Woo! Yeah, you spotted that. It's awesome. We did it! We accomplished Christmas bird count just because we saw this owl.
Oh my god, so now it feels like next year. I mean, we just have to see one every time.
Yeah.
This is just what it comes down to.
Yeah. Like some kind of small mammal.
Small mammal. Oh wow, look at that. This is like poop scent. So they may not be here now, but
they have been here.
and they've been pooping up a storm.
Yeah.
Holy moly! Now that you like look, it's like there's just it's everywhere.